So let me introduce with the very beautiful, lush, green, beautifully landscaped campus spreaded in 53 acres of land, which is located at Agra-Bombay Highway at outskirts of Indore, which is the fourth time cleanest city of India. I strongly believe it is developed in such a way it gives a feel of positive environment. It gives a feel of positive environment. Its vibrant atmosphere will make you to spend more and more time in the campus. As Preeti has already told you, we are the brand name in the arena of field of education across central India. The Medicaps group of institution came into existence in year 2000 with its institute, Medicaps Institute of Technology and Management and Medicaps Institute of Science and Technology. Since then, we are excelling in our field continuously. We are spreading our wings slowly and silently. In year 2016, we came up with the university so that we can contribute in much better way towards the nation building in our own style. This is the mission of Medicaps University. The Medicaps University started with the objective of producing conceptually good, conceptually sound, practice-oriented, value-driven, and well-groomed technocrats and professionals. This is the vision of Medicaps University. We wish to reach the position where we can develop a technical and professional institute for carrying out the education and research work of excellent nature to generate high-class technocrats and professionals for the benefit of society at large. Shri R.C. Mittal, who is the Honorable Chancellor of this Medicaps University, who is an industrialist with a pharmacy background, a respectable and known personality in the industry and education arena. And so he makes us all work towards his vision and mission. He is a very sincere and hardworking personality. At this age also, he spent more time in the campus just to ensure that we all are moving in the path shown by him. Shri Gopal Agrawal, the Pro-Chancellor of this Medicaps University, a young, energetic industrialist, educationist, and an eminent entrepreneur with an enthusiastic approach towards dissemination and contribution to the knowledge. His all-round support is very much appreciated by all of us. Let me introduce with the Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor Dr. Sunil K. Somani. Dr. Sunil K. Somani is the strong pillar of this Medicaps University. Dr. Somani, with a background of mechanical engineering, is also known for his finance and management techniques. He is very great mentor and guide, easily approachable for all of us. You will find him always with him whenever you needed him in your thick and thin. He ensures every time that the student and the faculty get the best from the Medicaps University. He always comes with the best possible solution in your problem. The kind of strict academic discipline which is maintained in Medicaps University, or Medicaps University is known for this strong strict academic discipline, is the key, which is done by the key factor, which is applied by the Professor Somani. Now, I can say we breathe this strict discipline in the campus, and I hope you all will also breathe the same. The registrar of this Medicaps University, Dr. Pradyuman Yadav, he is responsible for his all-round administrative and infrastructural support required for running this Medicaps University. His all-round support and his management towards academic excellence is very much appreciated. He always keep an eye on every tricks and bits of Medicaps University. His contribution in smooth functioning of Medicaps University is really remarkable. His area of PhD is energy and environment, which really helped him in making the positive energy in the atmosphere of Medicaps University. These are the faculty of various faculties which the Medicaps University is offering, like Faculty of Engineering, Faculty of Science, Faculty of Management, Faculty of Commerce, and so on. So I wish to let you know the various stream in which the faculty of engineering is offering. We are offering BTech in computer science with the specialization of computer science and engineering, artificial intelligence, then distributed computing and blockchain technology, then Internet of Things, cloud technology and information security, data science. Then we are offering BTech in CSBS, computer science and business system in association with TCS. We are offering all the core branches which IT, automobile, civil engineering, electronics communication, electrical engineering, robotics and automation, electrical and electronics engineering, fire technology and safety engineering, mechanical engineering, mechatronics and automation. With this, we are also offering PG courses, MCA and MTech in almost all these streams, including nanotechnology. Faculty of Design. In Faculty of Design, we are offering undergraduate course in B Dash, Bachelor of Design. The Faculty of Pharmacy is offering undergraduate course B Pharma, and I hope very soon we'll come with the PG and PhD program in pharmacy also. The Faculty of Management, we are offering BBA in Finance, Foreign Trade, HR, Marketing, Digital Marketing, Finance, Foreign Trade, then MBA in Foreign Trade, HR and Marketing Management. In Faculty of Commerce, offered by us is undergraduate course in BCom Honors in Commerce. The Faculty of Arts and Humanities and Social Science is offering MA in English Literature. Faculty of Science, in Faculty of Science, we are offering MSc in Physics, Chemistry, Mathematics, Computer Science, then BSc Honors in Forensic Science, Animation and Multimedia, Agriculture, BCA Computer Application, BCA plus MCA Integrated Computer Application. So now I will be introducing you with this strong pillars, the columns, the backbone of the Medicaps University, who made the Medicaps University, and I should say they owe the Medicaps University and Medicaps University owe them. First of all, I would like to introduce Dr. D.K. Panda. Dr. D.K. Panda is Dean of Faculty of Engineering, which is a very largest faculty in our university. He is also taking the responsibility of Chief Hostel Warden. With the electronics background, he is serving the university as Dean since the inception of Medicaps University. His experience in various universities of national repute are helping us to grow faster towards the academic excellence. His input and his guidance in developing the syllabus and scheme, the credit system of this university is really appreciable. Besides this, his contribution in research and development, then he has filed many patents. He has got one patent also. You will always find him for the betterment of the student and faculty at all the fronts. Dr. Sanjay Jain, Dean Pharmacy. He is an alumni of Dr. H.S. Gore, a world-class university known for the pharmacy. He is having the experience of more than 25 years in national and international universities and industries. He is recipient of Young Scientist Award. He has got the Research Fellowship. He is with us since the inception of this pharmacy department in the university. He and his team is developing the department in a very beautiful manner. This year, our second batch of pharmacy is joining, and we have already developed the labs up to final year. हमारे जो अभी सेकेंड ईयर, फर्स्ट ईयर, सेकेंड ईयर के जो स्टूडेंट्स हैं वो उन एपरेटस और इक्विपमेंट्स पर काम करेंगे जो थर्ड ईयर और फोर्थ ईयर में उनको लगने वाले हैं. So you can imagine the vision of Dr. Jain, the way he is developing the department. Dr. Harish Bapat, the Dean of Management and Commerce. It is again a second largest department of Medicaps University. He is dual postgraduate in management and law, and he is legal consultant in consumer. His case studies in the movies like Traffic Signal, his case study on Reliance Fresh and Tata Nano was much appreciated. Currently, he is working on the content of the human values and ethics, which we are very soon going to introduce in our syllabi and curriculum. Dr. Preeti Jain, the Dean of the Science. She is serving the Medicaps University since the inception. Dr. Preeti Jain is handling the department which is offering UG, PG and PhD department. She also played a very important role in initial development of the Agriculture Department and Forensic Science Department. She is in charge of Cultural Club and is responsible coordinate many times the annual function of the Medicaps University, Moonstone, which is very famous in this particular region. Besides this, she is also working on the project which is funded by DST, CSIR, etc. You will always find him running in the campus for maintaining the discipline and performing the discipline duties. So let me introduce with the Dean of Agriculture Department, Dr. Sunil D. Upadhyay, who is the Farmer Director Instruction of Jawaharlal Nehru Krishi Vishwavidyalaya, Jabalpur. With the botany background, he has done his postdoctorate from the University of Florida, USA. He's having experience more than 40 years. He is also the Young Scientist Award. He has done advanced training in agroforestry management from Australia. He has done and worked various national level projects, to name a few: the backline survey of flora and fauna before establishing the atomic power plant in Chutka, MP. We understand the remarkable contribution of agriculture sector in the economic growth of this country. And we believe Dr. Upadhyay is very much here and will ensure the all-round development of the students so that they can also contribute in the mainstream. Dr. Abbas Ali Kausar, in charge Dean of Arts, Humanities and Social Science. With his electronics and physics background, Dr. Kausar is serving the university for a long period. He has published more than 50 papers and 2 books. His area of interest is nanophysics. One thing I would like to say about him, he is the first controller of examination of the Medicaps University, and under his able leadership, we could develop and set the rules, regulation related with the exams, results and etc. etc. यहाँ मैं आपको बताना चाहूँगी हमारी यूनिवर्सिटी में there are 3 people who are very well acquainted and very well versed with the CBCS system. एक हमारे ऑनरेबल वाइस चांसलर, दूसरे हमारे डीन इंजीनियरिंग डॉक्टर पांडा एंड तीसरे हमारे डॉक्टर कौसर हैं. सो आपको कभी भी इस तरह की किसी भी इससे रिलेटेड आपको कभी कोई क्लैरिफिकेशन चाहिए, यू कैन कॉन्टैक्ट हिम and from this year onwards, he'll be looking as the entire first year as the in charge first year engineering. So he'll be the very first mentor and guide for you people. Dr. Shilpa Tripathi. It's me. I'm Dean Student Welfare and Professor in Mechanical Engineering Department of this university, and also taking care of internship and training of the entire university. I'm on the board since last 5 years. My area of interest is environmental engineering, particularly solid waste management. I have more than 40 papers, one book to my credit, and as Dean Student Welfare, I ensure to the best of my capacity the welfare of the student. So चाहे वो किसी भी फ्रंट पर हो, academics हो, professional हो, personal हो, I fight with this system for the suitable solution for you all. With this, I'm also the chairman of Institution of Engineers Indore Local Center and the committee members of the Research and Direction Committee NLPC of Institution of Engineers India level. I also, जैसा मैंने बताया, take care of internship and training and mentoring of each and every students. With this, I also work for the Industry Institute Interaction Industrial Projects. So I can say with the full confidence that I assume myself as the face of Medicaps University outside the Medicaps world. So I am easily approachable, and you people can easily approach me for any of your concern and problem. Dr. D.K. Patnaik, the Controller of Examination and Director of Assessment Cell. जैसा मैंने आपको बताया, Medicaps University is working hard towards the academic excellence. We are continuously monitoring and assessing our quality, and that is why this cell has been established, Internal Quality Assessment Cell, under the headship of Dr. Patnaik. Dr. Patnaik personally mentor all the department, all the parts of all the sections of the university, so that we can work hard towards the academic excellence. We can identify the area where we can work, where we can improve. So we are working on the roadmap, which is prepared by Dr. D.K. Patnaik. And from this year onwards, he will be the controller of exam of this Medicaps University. The heads of department. जैसा मैंने आपको बताया, Medicaps University is offering lots of courses under the various faculties. So definitely in our structure, the dean is, all the HODs are reporting to the deans. So let me introduce with the HODs of different department. First of all, Dr. Suresh Jain, the head of Department of Computer Science and Engineering, is looking after the largest department of this Medicaps University. He is having experience more than 30 years in teaching, research and administration, published more than 100 papers. He is having the membership of various professional societies, guided 11 PhD student. He is known for his processes and following the processes. He is handling the variety of streams of the computer science like artificial intelligence, CSBS, CTIS, etc. One thing I would like to quote about him: when he send a student problem or a student to me, he ensure he make it a point that his problem has been resolved. Dr. Rajiv Kumar, the head of Civil Engineering Department. With the experience of more than 27 years, Dr. Rajiv Kumar, with his doctorate from Bihar University in the area of earthquake resistance structure, is growing the department in his own style. He has also published a lot of research papers, and his research papers are also published in the magazine by the Home Ministry, Government of India, Yojana Ayog. He ensured that proper learning of the student of civil engineering through the visits, through the expert lectures may be done. Dr. Jagdish Singh, the head of Department of Agriculture Science, he is ex-professor and head Department of Genetics and Plant Breeding, College of Agriculture. Having experienced more than 35 years, he has also guided one PhD. He has worked in coordination with the various agriculture universities of India. Now with the Dean, Dr. Upadhyay and Dr. Jagdish Singh, we believe that our agriculture department will also grow in that particular manner. Dr. Mohammad Ali, he's heading the mechanical engineering department. There are three branches which comes under the mechanical engineering department. First is mechanical engineering branch itself, then automobile engineering, and third one is the fire technology and safety engineering. So he is the person responsible for all three areas. I should say a big department in number in terms of students and the faculty. A very cool head for the students, ready to give a very simple solution to your problem, a good sense of humor. His area of interest is machine design. He's also having experience more than 20 years. He has also published the papers more than 25. Dr. Rajesh Arya, the head of Department of Electrical Engineering. He has done his undergraduate, postgraduate, and PhD in electrical engineering. He's handling two departments, electrical and electronics, and electrical engineering department. A very polite and humble person, working hard for the development of the department. I find him more often after the official working hours in the university campus. He has also guided two PhDs. He has been awarded by the Institution of Engineers and a Tata Rao Prize. Dr. Rashmi Somani, the head of Management Studies, a very humble and soft-spoken lady, a chartered accountant by profession, PhD in management, expert in the field of management, taxation, accounting, security analysis, and portfolio management. See the expert which we are having on our board. I think you, the student of management, are lucky enough to have such mentors and such teachers. She is guiding 5 PhDs currently. She also holds the responsibility in the area of examination and other academic discipline. With this, she has also published a lot of research papers and has written a book on the accounting, and she is also having experience more than 25 years. So you can see the beauty of the members of this, the leaders of this Medigaps University, having such a long experience with having the research experience in research, in development, in academics. Then बहुत सारे उसमें उनके अंडर PhDs भी चल रहे हैं. Dr. Ajay Kulkarni, a very young and dynamic head of Electronics and Communication Department. Dr. Ajay Kulkarni brings excellence in the department with his long and wide experience of 21 years. His area of interest is non-linear controller design. He is alumni of MNNIT Allahabad, and he has done his doctorate from Devi Ahilya Vishwavidyalaya. He is very calm, quiet head who works silently. You can find him 365 days in the campus. Even during the semester break or vacation, he is very much here in the campus and working for the department. With the academic responsibility, he is handling the other administrative responsibilities as well. Under his guidance, department is continuously organizing various student development program, training program for the faculties as well. डॉक्टर शिप्रा आहूजा जोशी, बहुत ही मधुर आवाज की धनी डॉक्टर शिप्रा, द हेड ऑफ ह्यूमैनिटीज, is on board for last 15 years in Medigaps University. She has done her PhD in English literature from Devi Ahilya Vishwavidyalaya, published more than 25 research papers. With this, she is also the in charge of literary club. Recently, under her guidance, the literary club has organized a literature festival similar to the Jaipur Literature Festival. At times, you can see her doing the wonderful anchoring, and she will be dealing with the communication skills and soft skill programs for you people. Dr. Vaishali Chaure, the head of Department of Information Technology. She's graduated from Jabalpur Engineering College and post-graduated from Devi Ahilya Vishwavidyalaya in software engineering. She is the person who is responsible for the entire IT infrastructure of the university. She is also having the membership of Computer Society of India. She is also into the organizing the various training programs. Under her guidance, students have done various live projects. She is continuously working on the latest technology related with the IT and developing the labs of her department accordingly. Dr. Jitendra Chaudhary, head of computer science department, he is dealing with the courses of BSc computer science and PCA. He has done his MTech and PhD from School of Computer Science and Information Technology, DAVV. His area of interest is software engineering, Java programming, and software maintenance. He is again having the experience more than 15 years. Dr. Anil Patidar, the head of computer application. He is handling the MCA department of this university under the faculty of engineering. इनके बारे में मैं बताना चाहूँगी, when you find a confident boy or more like a PG student in the campus with a file or in the exam section by VC office, I'm sure he will be the Anil Patidar sir. Heading the Department of Computer Application with experience of more than 16 years. He has done his MTech in Computer Science Engineering, then he has done MCA and presently pursuing PhD. He is also handling the other responsibilities related with the exam, valuation and copy viewing. He is again a very polite and soft-spoken person. He'll be here to guide and mentor you the entering the PG students. Dr. Malyaj Das. He is newly appointed head of Department of Physics, a very soft personality, doctorate in the area of laser spectroscopy. His area of interest are surface physics and non-linear optics. Recently, he has organized activity on full moon on 9th of February. More than 175 viewers have seen the full moon and its surface through the telescope which is installed in the campus. Dr. Rekha Jain. We all consider the mathematics a very tough and important subject, particularly for the Faculty of Engineering and Science. Dr. Rekha Jain is handling the entire mathematics department. She is MPhil and PhD in mathematics and serving the Medicaps University from last 16 years. She has also published the lots of research paper and authored the books as well. Besides handling the mathematics department, she is also in charge of photography club. She works for the students who are interested into the photography by giving them opportunity at the various occasions. Dr. Anjali Soni. She is a very young, calm and silent worker, newly appointed head of chemistry department, having experienced more than 16 years. His area of interest is chemical kinetics. She has also published 2 books. She has also received the Best Faculty Award in our university. We wish her best luck. There is a long way to go. Dr. Haldar Sharma. With a background of economics, Dr. Haldar Sharma has done MA and MPhil in economics. He has also done MBA marketing. He has got fellowship for his PhD from ICSSR. With this, he has also got the best paper presentation award. He's looking after the entire Department of Commerce. One thing I would like to quote about Haldar Sharma sir, which I heard from the faculty members of his department. He is known for his perfection in any of the assigned work. Dr. Hemant Khambete and Dr. Sumit Prachand, the head of pharmacy department. The faculty of pharmacy, the guide of the mentor of faculty of pharmacy is Dr. Sanjay Jain, and under his guidance, Dr. Hemant Khambete and Dr. Sumit Prachand is working towards the betterment of the department. These two heads of the department are basically, Dr. Khambete is M Pharma and PhD in pharmaceutics, having experience more than 13 years. This young and energetic head has filed one patent and guided lots of projects of UG and PG level. At present, he is working towards the Center of Excellence. His area of interest is nanotechnology in drug delivery. Dr. Sumit Prachand has done M Pharma from UIT RGPV Bhopal and PhD in pharmaceutical chemistry, currently working in the area of drug designing, having expertise in the various docking softwares. He is also having the plus 14 years of experience. He is looking after the industrial visits, industrial connect of the department. These are the professor in charges. Mr. Amit Kulkarni, who is the in charge of ERP, Enterprise Resource Planning, a very popular faculty of automobile engineering, a great teacher, a great mentor. He will be creating your ERP login ID, and you can find him in all 365 days in the campus. He'll always available to attend your problem. He's also available on the calls. He attends the calls of each and every student. He's into the process of developing this entire ERP system for the Medicaps University. Dr. Vibha Tiwari, with the electronics background, is associate professor in electronics and communication department. Earlier, she was the first year in charge and looking after the administration of entire first year students and proved in all the wings. Now she has given the responsibility of research of Medicaps University for all the students and faculty members. Her area of interest is electronics and communication engineering. Mr. Sanjay Dhare, the Chief Finance Officer, Finance Administrative Officer of Medicaps University. He is the key person handling all the financial issues of entire university. Mr. Rahul Gupta is the Training and Placement Officer. He is responsible for all the placement related activities of the students. A very devoted and religious person with his team dedicated and committed to place all the graduates of our university. Here I would like to quote that we have done the placement activity even during the time of lockdown. Almost all the multinational companies are doing placements, which is managed by Mr. Rahul Gupta. Now you can imagine the level, the quality of the personalities, the level of the persons under whom you are going to grow. Dr. P. Hari Krishna, the assistant professor in physics department, is looking after NSS and he has बहुत सारी ऐसी activities इनके guidance में, इनके mentorship में students करते रहते हैं. हम लोग बहुत सारे आसपास के गाँवों को, विलेजेस को, स्कूल्स को हमने अडॉप्ट किया हुआ है, जिसमें हमारी बहुत सारी एक्टिविटीज़ चलती रहती हैं। ब्लड डोनेशन कैंप, देन वाटर हार्वेस्टिंग, वाटर ट्रीटमेंट से रिलेटेड, सैनिटाइजेशन से रिलेटेड जो एक्टिविटीज़ हैं, वो सारी हमारी एनएसएस के अंडर डॉक्टर पी हरि कृष्णा इसको कोऑर्डिनेट करते हैं। Mr. Sukhdev Bamburia, the sports officer who is looking after the entire sports department residing in the campus, very much available for all the students. कोई भी स्टूडेंट हमारी जो भी एमेनिटीज़ हैं, स्पोर्ट्स ग्राउंड है, वो यूज़ कर सकता है. ही इज़ ऑलवेज अवेलेबल हियर फॉर टीचिंग देम, फॉर गाइडिंग देम. Hostel warden, the second parent for the students residing in the campus. Dr. D. Srinivas Rao and Ms. Swati Vaid. Dr. Rao is from computer department. Ms. Swati Vaid is also from computer science and engineering department. Both of them are faculty in the department and serving the university as hostel warden and residing in the campus. So this is the glimpse of the ब्यूटीफुल इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर. किसी भी यूनिवर्सिटी का एक कंप्लीट निश होता है, एक कंप्लीट साइकिल है, जिसमें स्टूडेंट, फैकल्टी एंड इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर, दीज थ्री आर द मेजर कंपोनेंट इन एनी यूनिवर्सिटी. सो द यूनिवर्सिटी का जो फैकल्टी पार्ट है, आपने अभी देखा, मैंने आपको बताया कि बहुत सारे हमारी मैक्सिमम जो फैकल्टी है, दे आर PhDs with the experience of average experience is more than 15 years. They are working in the research area, they are filing patent, they are writing books, they are updating themselves with the latest technological advancements in their particular areas. So now I will give you the glimpse of infrastructure. See the beautiful campus, the beautiful buildings of this university. This is the picture of the library. ये लाइब्रेरी में 3 फ्लोर्स हैं एंड हैविंग बुक्स मोर देन 1 lakhs of books. All the drinking facility, washroom facilities inside the library. This is our newly constructed computer center and इसमें first, second and ground floor, basement, first and second floor है, and it is having the computers, more than 1,000 computers. You can see the lush green campus and the buildings in the campus. It is beautifully landscaped. This is the pharmacy department. Dr. Jain is with us since the inception of pharmacy department. So this particular building is developed and constructed the way it should be. This is our management department. This building is having the Department of Mechanical Engineering, Department of Fire and Safety Engineering, then Civil Engineering. This is the aerial view of this campus. The beautiful ground, जहाँ पर हमारे बहुत सारी एक्टिविटीज़, जब हम योगा डे सेलिब्रेट करते हैं, फिट इंडिया मूवमेंट हम जब सेलिब्रेट करते हैं, so we use this ground. This is the building which shows the in this building we are having computer science and IT department. This is the pharmacy building. These are the various buildings inside the campus. The buildings, this is the smart classroom which we are having. These are the glimpses of the laboratories of the pharmacy department. जैसा मैंने आपको बताया कि ये बहुत एडवांस लैब्स, वी आर इनटू द प्रोसेस ऑफ डेवलपिंग एडवांस लैब्स. दिस इज द laboratories of forensic science. This is the lab of fire technology and safety engineering students. This is the labs of electronics, computer science department. This is computer science department. Then this is the labs of civil engineering department, the mechanical engineering department. This is again the achievement of our mechanical engineering student. Mechanical engineering students have made this FE cycle and participated in the national level competition and won prizes. This picture is of the Baha event, which take place, which is organized by Society of Automotive Engineers. So this is the vehicle which we made, ATV made by the students. These are the amenities in our university. We are having a separate boys and girls hostel, 24/7 continuous water supply, electricity supply, and with the internet facility. We are having the auditorium, number of auditorium with the capacity of 100, then 180, then 240, then 400. Then we are having the smart classrooms, indoor and outdoor games and sports, gymnasium. You are having the mess facility, जिसमें कि आप subsidized rate पे you can have your lunch, the canteen facility, the bus facility. So the student commuting from the various parts of Indore can use these buses. We are having the bank and ATM facility in the campus. These are the list of membership which we are having. As I told you that we are committed to the best on campus learning. We want to make the students well acquainted with the latest technological development and advancements. So all these societies or the institutes or all these agencies are working in the different area. They normally organize the various activities related with the technical advancements, just to update all the technical fraternity in particular area. So we have taken this membership, and this membership helps the faculty, not only to the faculty, to the student also, to excel, to update themselves in their area. It is the list: Computer Society of India, then Indian Concrete Institute, which is working in the civil engineering department, then ISTE, which is working in all the stream. Then the student who are particularly interested in heating, refrigeration and air conditioning engineering can be the member of this organization. Then Indian Water Works Association, the student who are interested in water distribution system, they can member of this association. Institution of Engineers, the Institution of Engineers is comprising about 15 branches, and इसमें सभी ब्रांच के स्टूडेंट कैन बी दी मेंबर. देन इंस्टीट्यूशन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिकल एंड इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स इंजीनियरिंग, इंस्टीट्यूशन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिकल एंड टेलीकम्युनिकेशन इंजीनियरिंग, सोसाइटी ऑफ ऑटोमोटिव इंजीनियरिंग. जो स्टूडेंट जिनको ऑटोमोबाइल इंजीनियरिंग में इंटरेस्ट है, who all want to participate in the automotive related activities, can be the member of this association. Then a Society of Green Building Council, जिसमें कि सिविल इंजीनियरिंग के स्टूडेंट और जो भी स्टूडेंट जो ग्रीन एनर्जी, ग्रीन एनवायरनमेंट पर काम करना चाहते हैं, दे कैन बी द मेंबर ऑफ दिस. सिमिलरली we have signed the MOUs, the Memorandum of Understanding. ये जितने भी Memorandum of Understanding है, this Memorandum of Understanding basically help in the academic excellence of the university. The aim of this memorandum of understanding, signing this memorandum of understanding, is to exchange of information on research and development, on teaching and learning material, jointly organizing the programs, seminars and conferences, the mutual benefit and the interaction, so that both the parties may land to some in a win-win situation. So with this intention we have signed this MOU. इन MOU से हमको केवल यही फायदा नहीं होता है, इसके साथ हमारा इंडस्ट्री कनेक्ट होता है. हम इंडस्ट्रियल विजिट्स, इंडस्ट्रियल एक्सपर्ट्स को हम इनवाइट कर पाते हैं. So with this aim we have signed this MOU with the various agencies which are basically from the government sector, from IT sector, from the various societies. This is again the list. You can see the long list. This is the MOU signed on the international level. We have signed the MOU with Vadhwani Operating Foundation, California. We have signed the MOU with the various business schools, universities, technology and entrepreneurship center, robotic research center and training schools in California, UK, Tunisia, Europe, Nepal, Ethiopia, London, Malaysia, Singapore. So you can see how we have spreaded our wings. So this is the picture of MOU which we have signed with the Cambridge University with MP Private University Committee. This is the picture of showing in which we have signed the MOU with the TCS. Our registrar, Dr. Yadav, and Honorable Vice Chancellor has shown, has signed this MOU. This shows the international appearance. During this lockdown, जब everyone was confined in his or her home, हमने उसको भी अपॉर्चुनिटी की तरह लिया, and the various during this lockdown, we have participated in various international events. We have organized various international webinars with the various association across the world. So I should say we did not stop our efforts towards the learning. We continuously organized and participate in the national and international webinar. So these are the glimpses in which our faculty, our Honorable Vice Chancellor has participated as a speaker. These are the cells which we are having in the campus: anti-ragging cell and entrepreneurship development cell. All these cells are to identify your hidden talent, or to know about your area of interest. If you are interested in entrepreneurship, आगे जाके आपको अपना कुछ business करना है, आपको अपना कुछ startup करना है, so you can be the member of this entrepreneurship development cell. If you are into the process of starting a new startup or a new venture, you can be the member of incubation or innovation cell. Then we have IQAC, Industry Institute Partnership Cell. आप यदि रिसर्च और डेवलपमेंट में रिलेटेड हैं, किसी नए प्रोजेक्ट पे काम करना चाहते हैं, यू कैन बी द मेंबर ऑफ दिस रिसर्च एंड डेवलपमेंट सेल, स्किल डेवलपमेंट सेल. देन वी हैव ट्रेनिंग एंड प्लेसमेंट सेल. देन वी हैव women and student grievance cell. These are the clubs which are just to protect the interest of the wide variety of the students. The arts and creative, these are the clubs, and उनके आगे उनके faculty जो mentors हैं उनके नाम दिए हुए हैं. You can note it down: Arts and Creativity Club, Advanced Study Club, Cultural Club, Literacy, Media, Photography, Social, Sports, Techno and Eco Club. हमारी, जैसा मैंने आपको बताया कि we are responsibly doing and working for the all-round development of the students. So हम offline teaching के साथ हम online teaching पर भी concentrate करते हैं. We are offering the various, we have signed the MOU. We are offering the various online courses, जिसमें कि एक Coursera, NPTEL, ऐसे बहुत सारे open platforms हैं जिनके थ्रू आप बहुत सारी learning अपने area of interest के according कर सकते हैं. So इसमें एक प्लेटफॉर्म है Coursera, जो कि मेडिकैब्स यूनिवर्सिटी के साथ एसोसिएटेड है. एंड हमारे जो अभी ड्यूरिंग दिस लॉकडाउन हमारे बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स और फैकल्टी मेंबर्स ने इन ऑनलाइन कोर्सेज को किया है. इफ you are from the computer science background, and if you are interested to know about the finance or the or any of the, like if you are interested into air conditioning and refrigeration, so you can opt these online courses and can get the certificate from these platform. So एक ये डाटा मैं आपसे शेयर करूंगी. see the learning thrust for the by the student and faculty members of our university. The total number of enrollments last in this during the lockdown is 34,485, जिसमें से 11,000 लोगों ने ये कोर्स कंप्लीट किया एंड टोटल अबाउट 98,395 आवर्स स्पेंट किए इन ऑनलाइन लर्निंग में, which is approximately equal to 68 to 78 days. एंड द मैक्सिमम सर्टिफिकेशन कोर्स जो हमारी फैकल्टी ने किया है 47, एंड फ्यू ऑफ द स्टूडेंट हैज़ डन द मैक्सिमम सर्टिफिकेशन ऑफ 40. हालांकि हमने मैंडेटरी इसको 5 सर्टिफिकेशन कोर्सेज किए थे, बट सी द ब्यूटी, सी द वे विच वी आर ग्रूमिंग द स्टूडेंट्स. They are self motivated and self disciplined. They have done the certification course of 40. This is the glimpse of various industrial visit, which is again a regular feature of our all the department. हर semester में हम 2 से 3 बार हमारा industrial visit होता है in the different industries. This is the glimpses of the various expert lectures, in which we invite the industrial experts and they give the practical exposure of the various technologies and various techniques of any particular field. This is the placement glory under the headship of Mr. Rahul Gupta. Till date, 200 plus companies has visited in our campus, 8,500 plus number of offers and placement. We are having a corporate relations cell, industry institute interface. With this, this cell is also supporting in communication and personality development, in consultancy, in personal counseling and career development. These are the list of our recruiters. आप इसमें देखेंगे, आप कोई भी नाम इमेजिन करिए, वो इस लिस्ट में होगा. Almost all the MNCs, all the big giants of IT sector, all of them are here. This is the list of awards and recognition. We strongly believe that action speaks louder than words. So that is why यहाँ पर मैंने बहुत थोड़ा सा डाला हुआ है. Very soon you will come to know कि हम इससे कहीं बहुत आगे हैं. So MPPURC awarded as a excellent University of Madhya Pradesh. उसके बाद हमारा ये टाइम्स इंजीनियरिंग रैंक है हमारी यूनिवर्सिटी की, जिसमें आप देखेंगे कि ये मैंने सिर्फ लास्ट 3 इयर्स का किया हुआ है, बट 2016-17 से हम वी आर इनटू दिस रैंकिंग. लास्ट जैसे अभी हमारा 21st रैंक टॉप 100 प्राइवेट इंजीनियरिंग इंस्टीट्यूट इन 29th रैंक फ्रॉम टॉप 50 प्राइवेट इंस्टीट्यूट ऑन प्लेसमेंट के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से हमारा 29th रैंक था. देन 30th रैंक था 2020 में. देन प्राइवेट यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ सेंट्रल इंडिया 2019 में भी हम फर्स्ट थे, 2018 में भी हम फर्स्ट थे, और अक्रॉस इंडिया यदि हम बोलें तो 140 इंजीनियरिंग इंस्टीट्यूट्स में से हम उसके साथ हमारी फैकल्टी जो है, जो हमारे सीनियर फैकल्टी मेंबर्स हैं लाइक डॉक्टर पांडा, डॉक्टर प्रीति जैन, ये सब रिसर्च प्रोजेक्ट पे काम कर रहे हैं. दे आर ऑल्सो, डॉक्टर पांडा इज ऑनर्ड विद द एक्सीलेंट टीचर अवार्ड. दिस इज द अवार्ड एंड रिकॉग्निशन which we got. This is the excellence, this is the student excellence which is recognized across the India and at the same time international level. Again I would like to quote, action speaks louder than words. So हम बहुत ही थोड़ा सा इसमें दिखा पा रही हूँ मैं, अदरवाइज हमारे काफ़ी स्टूडेंट्स जो हैं डिफरेंट फील्ड पर अटेंशन ग्रैब कर रहे हैं. So these are the various activities which we are organizing. This plantation by NSS club. This is the Fit India movement में हमारे student ने participate किया था. We have celebrated the National Fire Safety Day. This is the glimpse of our Moonstone, the annual function. This is again the Yoga Day, which is started by our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi. We have organized the TEDx talk. One very important part of this library learning resource, which is flourishing under the guidance of Mr. Anurag Khare, who has MLib and pursuing PhD in library science and library and information science. In our library, we are having journals and periodical, 200 plus, more than 1 lakhs of books, electronic resources. We are having the membership of these organizations. So students हमारे कहीं भी कभी भी बैठकर library access कर सकते हैं. This is the media presence. Again, हम बहुत आगे हैं, but ये हम अपना वर्ड्स में अपने आप को एक्सप्रेस करने की बजाय हम एक्शन से अपने आप को एक्सप्रेस करते हैं. This is the very important slide for the students. So dear students, this will be the dress code in the university when the offline classes will start. Boys के लिए है formals with university blazer, मतलब normal pleated pant and shirt. Girls के लिए kurta salwar or legging with the university blazer. And please note, jeans, t-shirts are not at all allowed in the campus. This will be the university timings for the different courses: BBA, BCom, CS, Mechanical, Electronics, Computer Science, MSc, MTech. इनके लिए टाइम होगा 8:30 to 3 एंड बी फार्मा के लिए 8:30 to 5. हमारी यूनिवर्सिटी जो है वो पार्ट में 2 शिफ्ट में रन करती है, 8:30 to 3 एंड 10:30 to 5. सो बी फार्मा विल बी 8:30 to 5 एंड उसके बाद BSc Computer Science, Forensic Science, Computer Science and Engineering, PCA, IT, EE, EX, Automobile, FT, MBA, MCA, MA. ये हम रन करेंगे 10:30 to 5 की शिफ्ट में. So thank you so much. Thank you, great God, the Medicabs, the management of Medicabs, Honorable Vice Chancellor, all the students and all the parents and all the attendants.